Hello listeners, welcome to the 16th Hindi Jane session of Arivalai podcast led by Bharati Educational Institutions Reddipatti Namakkal. Today in this Hindi Jane session we are going to learn 20 new two-letter words. Ka, il, kal. Kal is tomorrow in English and nalai in Tamil. A, ib, ab. Ab is now in English and ippoludhu in Tamil. Fa, il, fal. Fal is the fruit in English and palam in Tamil. Ga, ir, gar. Gar is the house in English and veedu in Tamil. U is us. Us is that in English and adu in Tamil. Ta, ip, tab. Tub is totti in Tamil and tub in English. Ka, im, come. Less in English and kuraivaga in Tamil. Sa, ip, sub. Sub is all in English and ellam in Tamil. Da, in, done. Done is money in English and panam in Tamil. Ja, il, jal. Water in English and tannir in Tamil. Ya, yih, yah. Yah is this in English and idu in Tamil. Ja, yid, jad. Jad is a root in English and where in Tamil. Ye, ik, ek. Ek is one in English and wandru in Tamil. E, ik, eek. Eek is sugarcane in English and karumbu in Tamil. Na, il, null. Null is a tap in English and kurai in Tamil. Ba, el, bal. Bal is a strength in English and balam in Tamil. Si, ir, sir. Sir is the head in English and talai in Tamil. Ha, im, hum. Hum is we in English and naam in Tamil. Da is thus is the number 10 in English and pattu in Tamil. Ba, ir, bar. Fill in English and nirappu in Tamil. Now it is time to learn 5 spoken Hindi sentences. क्या मैं पानी पीऊँ? Shall I drink water? நான் தண்ணீர் குடிக்கலாமா? क्या मैं अपना घर जाऊँ? Shall I go to my home? நான் வீட்டுக்கு போகலாமா? मैं मंदिर जाती हूँ. I am going to temple. நான் கோவிலுக்கு செல்கிறேன். कल कौन सा दिन है? What day is tomorrow? नाளை என்ன நாள்? मैं विदा लेती हूँ. I am bidding. நான் விடை பெறுகிறேன். Thanks for your patient listening. Now it's bye from Rajeshwari for Arivalai podcast led by Bharati Educational Institutions Reddipatti Namakkal. Stay cool, stay blessed.